There I was. Hello, guys. Welcome back into my new story of today. This is my first story of today about new Hiccup. There I was. Just imagine I am Hiccup. There I was, Hiccup, the guy who can barely keep his own dragon from setting fire to his breakfast. Wandering through the depth of a jungle that looked like it was straight out of a lost and found catalog. Seriously, I was just looking for a snack and instead I stumbled upon this ancient temple that looked like it had not seen a broom in centuries. As I stepped inside, I was greeted by the kind of silence that made you question all your life choices. You know the kind of silence that says, "Hey Hiccup, hey Hiccup, remember that time you thought you could become a dragon whisperer?" Yeah, me neither. Suddenly, I tripped over what I thought was a rock but turned out to be an ancient artifact. Cue the dramatic music. It was a giant stone tablet with hieroglyphics that looked suspiciously like my last attempt at drawing. Just imagine, okay? I mean, oh no, ancient civilization had such poor artistic skills. Then boom, the ground shock. I panicked, and accidentally activated some sort of ancient trap. I ducked, I ducked just in time to avoid a barrage of flying rubber chickens. Yeah, you heard that right. Apparently, this temple had a sense of humor. Oh no, ancient builders were such pranksters. I dodged and weaved. I dodged and weaved through this poultry apocalypse until I finally reached the treasure room. And guess what? Instead of gold or jewels, it was filled with, wait for it, expired snacks. Like seriously, who hoard old chips in a temple? But then it hit me. These snacks were the real treasure. I mean, who would not want to munch on some stale nachos while recounting their epic adventure? So there I was, Hiccup, the snack king, sitting on my throne of expired chips. Moral of the story: sometimes the best discoveries are found in the most unexpected places, especially if they come with a side of nachos.